We got the Boomba Racing blow-off valve for the Kona N here. Let's take a look. This is what it comes with. Here's the blow-off valve itself. Nice quality, feels pretty sturdy. And then this is the plug for the intake, which I might have to source another one just because this one I feel is going to fit the factory or stock airbox, or the stock intake, but I have the K&N intake, so we'll have to see. Or I'm going to see if I need another plug for my K&N intake. But overall, nice quality. I was struggling here getting the 4 bolts that are on the stock bypass valve unit. The space is really tight with not a lot of wiggle room to get my wrench in there. You know, it could have probably gone faster if it was on a lift, but sometimes you gotta work with where you are and with what you have. I ended up going back and watching the videos of Brandon or Entense on YouTube, his blow-off valve install video. Shout out to him. I'll link his video in the description. Definitely check him out and give him a follow. He had some great advice on how to get the bolts off, specifically the last bottom left one, which was giving me trouble. He said to reach down and around from the bottom versus trying to get it from the top, which is what I'm trying to do here. I eventually got all the bolts, as you can see. It just took a really long time, probably longer than it should have, but you know, it is what it is. So here's the stock unit, and here's the new Boomba blow-off valve. Finally got all 4 bolts in, and everything is installed. Just gotta put the intake back together and we'll be done. Only took fucking forever. Alright, everything is back. So that took longer than expected. I kind of want to hear what it sounds like, so I'm going to go for a ride just to make sure everything is working, and then probably go take clips tomorrow from the outsides. So I was running the Boomba plug that I had mentioned earlier on the intake for the bypass valve, and it fit, but it was a little loose. If you kind of knock it over, it didn't really fit or feel like it was on there sturdy enough. It did fit, but I did buy this HPS silicone plug that's not just a cap, but fits all around. So we're gonna put this on and see how this fits. So you can see here, this is the plug or cap that comes with the blow-off valve. It fits on the intake, but again, I think it was made more for the OEM intake piping. So you can see it's a little loose here. Now here's the HPS silicone plug. You can see it fits all the way around, and it's a little bit more snug on the intake piping here.
And you can see I was able to reuse the hose clamp that was on the old silicone hose. So now it's very tight and not going anywhere. So I hope you liked the video. I love the product. Adds definitely more noise to the car. I don't know if you'll get a lot of performance gains, but the smile gains is definitely there. It sounds amazing, and shout out to Boomba again for making the blow-up valve for the Kona N. If you'd like, there's a discount code below. I'll put it in the screen if you want to purchase this blow-up valve or any other products on the Boomba website. So shout out to them, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Again, the install probably could have gone better. I'm not a mechanic by any means. The actual installation is simple in theory, but once you get in there, it gets a little bit difficult because of how tight it is. So just want to give a shout out again to Brandon or Entense on YouTube for his install video. Definitely helped me a lot, so definitely check that out if you want a reference of how to go about doing this, because this video is not really an install video, it's more of a review kind of thing, and I love how it came out. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hope you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.